Greetings. Today we're going to test this brand new microwave, which is small enough to fit in my camper van build, and we're going to test it before we put it in production. After about 10 hours of cabinet making, it was time to heat up dinner, and that led for a great opportunity to test the new microwave before it went fully in production. So all your appliances, just assume they're going to be dead on arrival no matter how good they are, and test them before you install as best you can. So that's what we're doing here, and this is just a mock-up of how this microwave will fit, but it's good enough for testing. So that's what we're doing now.
1,600 watts. So we'll just set this on time lapse and see how our battery does.
So on a 3000 watt inverter, we can tell that the microwave is using about half of its capacity, which is good enough for our application. We could use the induction stove at about half power and still have a little bit of margin for lights, blower fan on a heater, things of that nature. So this is working, and this is like a 15-minute cook in the microwave of a casserole. And we can see that the solar power controller is giving us nearly 200 watts, and the battery's giving us the rest.
Food is done. We got a hot warning. We'll take it out and see if it's good. Battery went down to 93%.
I'm calling that a successful test. This microwave's ready for production. In any case, that's all I got for you today. Thank you for watching. We will see you around.